What do I love about Thailand? Delicious food. Today I was just driving along near the airport and I didn't have my food expert knock with me. I thought I'll have to find the food myself and it looks delicious. Somebody cup,
สวัสดีครับ
are you the chef? Big chef?
เชฟ yeah
And this is your wife?
Hi.
Can you tell me about your shop and the food I just had was delicious?
Actually, we are a Thai boat noodle. Can I give a chance to customer first?
Yes, of course. Your food is just delicious. And can you tell me what it was I had for lunch?
Actually, we have a beef noodle and pork noodle separate,
Yeah.
and also chicken as well.
Yeah. And I just had my whole lunch, 60 baht.
Yeah, with the original rice,
Yeah.
with like a good taste.
And it's about $1.10 Australian.
Yeah,
And your
right.
brother lives in Melbourne.
Yeah.
Have you been to Melbourne?
Yeah, many times.
Oh, really? And do you follow the football?
Yeah.
St Kilda?
No.
Okay, I'm not never coming to your shop again. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Please
Bye-bye.
welcome to come here.
Okay, my
สวัสดี
pleasure.
ค่ะ
Bye.